What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install Microsoft Teams on PC. So the first thing that we have to do is to hop on Google and we're going to search for Microsoft Team download. And we're going to click on the first link which states download Microsoft Teams desktop and mobile apps, like so. And what we have to do now is to click on download Microsoft Teams for Windows. After it installed, we're gonna click on it, and as you can see now it's downloading. And after it downloaded, we can open the app like so. Now it's opening. So now you can get started, you can log in your account and you can start a meeting right away or do whatever you want. This was the tutorial guys, thanks for watching and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.